Hey everyone, is this the end of traditional Autodesk Maya tutorial? You tell me, drop a comment after this video and let me know what you think. Today we are diving into Google AI Studio, a tool that's about to revolutionize how we learn Autodesk Maya. This AI can watch your screen and guide you in real time and answer questions as you work. Let's see if it's a game changer. Alright, let's fire up AI Studio. Just go to aistudio.com and go to stream real time. You can see talk to Gemini, show Gemini and share your screen. We will be using share your screen. So click on the share your screen and select your screen which you want to share. So I am now sharing Autodesk Maya. This lets Gemini see everything I am doing in Autodesk Maya. Just a heads up, anything on your screen is visible to the AI. So keep that in mind. Ready? Let's go. Hey Gemini, what can you see on my screen?
I see a 3D modeling software, possibly Maya, with a grid in the center. Do you want to know more about the interface?
What version of Maya I am using?
The top of the window says Autodesk Maya 2022. Is there anything else I can help with?
Can you help me create torus geometry in Maya?
Yes, I can help you with that. In Maya, you can create a torus by going to Create Polygon Primitives Torus. Do you want to adjust any of the torus's attributes?
So how should I scale this?
You can scale the torus using the Scale tool, which looks like a cube with 3 arrows coming out of it. Click on the tool, then select the torus and use the handles on the torus to scale it. Would you like help using the Scale tool?
Yeah, so how can I translate it?
You can translate the torus by using the Move tool, which is the 4-way arrow icon. Click on the Move tool, then select the torus and use the handles to move it around the scene. Would you like to explore the Rotate tool?
Yeah, can you help me with that?
Yes, I can help with that. The Rotate tool looks like 3 curved arrows forming a circle. Click on the tool, then select the torus and use the handles on the torus to rotate it in different directions. Would you like any additional help with this tool?
Yeah, so how can I rotate X?
To rotate the torus around the x-axis, you'll want to use the red handle of the Rotate tool, which is oriented along the x-axis. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Can you help me apply a shader to it?
Yes, I can help you with that. To apply a shader, you would first need to create a new shader in the Hypershade window, then select the object and assign it the shader from the Hypershade window or from the right-click menu. Would you like to start by creating a shader?
So where do I find a hypershade window?
You can find the Hypershade window by going to Windows Rendering Editor's Hypershade. Would you like to proceed with creating a shader now?
Yeah, can you help me with that?
Yes, I can help. Once you have the Hypershade window open, you can create a new shader by right-clicking in the work area and selecting Create Material. Would you like me to guide you through choosing the material and its attributes?
Yeah, help me with that.
Okay, after you right-click in the Hypershade work area, hover over Create Material. You'll then see a list of different shader types. Which shader type would you like to create?
You can recommend anything.
Okay, for a general purpose shader, I recommend using a Lambert shader. It is a basic shader type and a good starting point. Do you want to proceed with creating a Lambert shader?
Yeah, so I have created the shader. How do I change the color of it?
To change the color of the Lambert shader, select the shader node in the Hypershade, and then in the attribute editor, click on the color swatch next to the color attribute. From there, you can pick the color you want. Is there any specific color you'd like to use?
Yeah, I want to create a yellow color.
Okay, to create a yellow color, click on the color swatch next to the color attribute. Then either click on the yellow area of the color wheel or adjust the RGB sliders to the correct values. Do you need any assistance in doing that?
So I'm not able to see the yellow color on the torus. What is wrong with it?
It appears you have created a new shader with a yellow color, but you haven't yet assigned it to the torus. To do this, you can select the torus, then right-click on the yellow shader in the Hypershade, and select Assign Material to Selection. Would you like to try this?
So assign material to selection.
Okay, I see the yellow color is now applied to the torus. Is there anything else you need help with regarding this?
So I want to freeze transform this. All the values are in the channel box.
To
I
freeze
want, yeah. How do I do
To
that?
freeze the transforms, you can go to Modify Freeze Transforms. This will set the object's translate, rotate, and scale values to 0, 0, 0, and 111 respectively in the channel box. Is there anything else you'd like to work on?
How do I make this torus transparent?
To make the torus transparent, you can adjust the transparency attribute in the Lambert shader settings. In the attribute editor, locate the transparency slider and adjust it. Would you like me to explain how to find that attribute in the shader settings?
Imagine skipping hours of tutorial and just taking the help of AI Studio. So Google AI Studio is still now in the early stage. It still needs to be improved, but still we can take help of Google AI Studio whenever we need help. You don't need to every time go to the YouTube or Google to search like what to do next. So is this the depth of Autodesk Maya tutorial? Maybe not yet, but AI is getting scarily good. Imagine asking how do I build a procedural building and getting instant step-by-step node setup in Houdini. No more digging through forums. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button. If we hit 1000 likes, I will make part 2 AI guided Houdini destruction sim. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Huge thanks for watching, and remember, the future of learning is real time. Stay creative, folks.